Hello, welcome back to my channel. So here we are going to be discussing area of rings, area of shaded region, or area of annulus. Okay, yeah. So example 1, consider this ring. Okay, this region shaded. Okay, so the diameter here is 10 meter, and for this place it is 7 meter. Okay, so let us calculate the area of the ring. We have the outer circle and we have the inner circle. So let radius of the outer circle is capital R, which is 7 meter. Radius of the inner circle is small r, which is 10/2, which is 5 meter. So the area of the ring equals to area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. The pi is common, r squared minus r squared, which is 22/7 times 7 squared minus 5 squared. Okay, so if we solve that equation, we are going to obtain 22/7 into 49 minus 25. Okay, so this is 22/7 multiplied by 24/1. Okay, so 24 into 20 plus 2 will give us 480 plus 480, which is 8 plus this is 2, so that will give us 5/8/7. So 7 and 52, 7 times 7 is 49, and 38 5, 7 times 5 is 35. We have 3 and 30, we have 4 and 20, we have 2 and it's 60, and so on and so forth. So approximately the area is 75.4 centimeters squared to 1 decimal places. So this is just how to calculate the area of a ring. Very simple and straightforward. Subtract the area of the inner circle by the area of the outer circle, and you have the area of the annulus. Okay, now let's consider if you have a case of a sector and you are looking for the area of the shaded portion. Okay, so consider this sector. So we have a sector of this form. Okay. And then you have another one like this. So if this region is shaded, and then if the length of this region is 8 centimeter and the length of this region is 6 centimeter, so you have to find the area shaded. Find the area shaded. Find the area shaded to 3 significant figures. Okay. So let's take a look. Solution. We have the bigger r radius bigger to be 8 centimeter and the smaller r to be 6 centimeter. Remember that area of sector is theta over 360 degree times pi r squared. So now that we have two of them, so area of the shaded region is going to be theta over 360 times pi into capital R squared minus R squared. That is the bigger region minus the smaller region. Okay, so the angle of course the angle is 90 degrees, theta is 90 degrees. Yeah, so if we substitute that, we have 90 over 360 times 22 over 7 multiplied by radius of the big circle is squared minus radius of the small circle, which is 6 squared. Okay, so if we go that 9 here is 4, so we have 1 over 4 times 22 over 7 multiplied by 64 minus 36. Okay, now 2 in 4 will give us 2, 2 in 22 will give us 11. So here we have 11 over 14 times 64 minus 36 should be able to give us, okay, 14 minus 6 will give us 8, and the 5 minus 2 will give us 2. Okay, yeah, hope that is good. Yeah, 28. 12, this is 4, this is 4, yeah, it's correct. So we have 28 over 1. Okay, 14 here 1, 14 here 2. So basically we have 11 times 2, which is 22 centimeters squared. Okay, so the area of the sector, the shaded portion, is 22 centimeters squared. Very simple and straightforward. Let's take a look at one more example. Number 3. Number 3, consider the sector and we have another one of this form, and this place is shaded. Okay, so the angle of the sector is 60 degrees. The bigger radius over there is 10 centimeter, and this radius over here is 15 centimeter. So calculate the shaded area. Okay, so we continue as well. Theta, the angle of sector is 60 degrees. Radius of the bigger sector is 15 centimeter. For the smaller sector, we have it to be 10 centimeter. And the formula for calculating the shaded region is subtraction theta over 360 times pi r squared pi into r squared minus r squared. Okay, so we can substitute into this formula to find our area. So we have A equals to 60 degrees over 360 degrees times 22 over 7 into r big R, 15 squared minus 10 squared. So this will give us 0 cancel 0 over there, 6 here we have 6, so we have 1 over 6 times 22 over 7 into 225 minus 100. Okay, so it's very interesting. So this will give us 1 over 6 times 22 over 7 times 125. Okay, so 2 here, 3, we have 2 here, it's going to give us 11. Okay, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3 can't go in that, yeah, it can't go, so we have 125 times 11. Okay, so that will give us 125 times 11, which is 1000 357 1375